Our minds cannot operate on full throttle all day long. Focused meditation helps to clear the mind of racing, cluttered thoughts by focusing our energies on a particular image or thought. Gradually, distracting thoughts will decrease during meditation. This strategy helps to restore mental balance by providing a break in our hectic day. By allowing our mind to slow down, it is better able to focus when we return to the task at hand. So here are today's hot tips for building resiliency and celebrating National Stress Awareness Day. All that is needed is a quiet environment, a comfortable position, a mental image or positive thought in which to focus on, and an attitude that will permit relaxation to happen. Meditating or focusing on music or a relaxing video can give the mind a needed break from stressful events such as conflict, problem solving, and high energy output. Guided imagery is a visualization technique that goes one step further than meditation by actually engaging the senses within the body to deliver a variety of messages. It can be used to reduce blood pressure, lower cholesterol, reduce muscle tension, and increase energy. Your body responds to these positive images in the same way it would if the image was real. There is no way that we can get rid of all of our stress, nor do we want to. What we want to do is to reduce our negative reactions to stress so that we don't become sick, worn down, and worn out. Start by adding one relaxation technique to your daily checklist of things to do. Looking for more tips to build your resiliency? Look for my book on Amazon called Stress Out: 52 Weeks to Letting More Life In.